Hello beautiful souls, welcome to our channel Love Messages for Hair. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Baby, I hope you like the sound of my new life. Baby, I hope you like the sound of my new life because it still has your echo inside it. I am speaking to you from a version of me you have never met. A man who learned to breathe without asking permission from your memory. I told myself I was over you. Then I heard your name in a crowded room and my chest answered first. Do you remember the night we planned a future we couldn't afford? We were brave with empty pockets and loud hearts. I used to believe love was enough fuel for the whole world. Now I measure my days in quieter things. Coffee that doesn't taste like your kitchen, songs that don't know your middle name. I build this new life carefully, like stacking glass where no one can see the cracks. From the outside, I look calm. From the inside, I still sound like the boy who waited outside your door. There are mornings I wake up proud of myself. There are nights I almost call and ruin everything. I wonder if you did recognize me now. I cut my hair the way you always suggest. I laugh louder than I used to. I don't apologize for taking up space anymore, but I still apologize to you in my head. I keep replying the last day like a scratched record, your suitcase by the wall. The way the fan moved the curtains like it was waving goodbye for us. We spoke gently as if sharp words might wake the neighbors. I wanted to beg. Instead, I said, I understand. I didn't understand anything. This new life has clean seats and honest mirrors. Friends who only know half the story. A balcony where the city looks nothing like the street we used to walk. Sometimes I imagine you hearing about me. Someone tells you I am doing well. Someone tells you I look happy. I hope that version of me reaches you softly, not like a weapon, not like proof. Just like music from another room, I am not writing to pull you back. I am writing because you live in the roots of my voice. Because every love after you has had to pass through your shadow first. I have learned that moving on isn't leaving, it's carrying the weight without bleeding on strangers. If you ever hear the sound of my new life, I hope it doesn't feel like betrayal, I hope it feels like survival. And if one day our paths touch by accident, I will smile like a man who kept his promise to heal. Baby, this is me letting the song finish. Even if you were the chores, I loved you loudly, I am living quietly, that's the difference. Thanks for watching, please do subscribe.